photographs at MAGIS. MAGIS is located at the University of Hawaii at Manoa Hamilton Library. The URL is magis.manoa.hawaii.edu. Here's their website. If you select aerial photography, you'll be able to view their aerial photographs and learn more about their holdings. Interestingly, they have a site where you can view different quadrangles and actually order maps of the islands. They also have the Iconos high-resolution imagery for Hawaii. It's a database where you can search a lot of different kinds of maps here. But today I'm just going to give you a brief tutorial of how to use their viewer. The viewer comes with a help guide. You can see here. It's a little PDF. But I'm going to give you a brief tutorial and walk you through how to use it. So it starts off looking like this, and you can choose which island or group of islands you want to explore. Today, let's try to find ourselves in Manoa on Oahu, and basically it gives you a little guide of what to do, and it tells you the different areas that are covered. These different sections represent different flyovers of the islands, and it also represents different years. You can choose up to 6 different flyovers, and they will overlay. So let's choose the first 6 here and generate the map. So as you can see, this shows up with a lot of different little dots, and these represent different photographs. Each dot represents the center of a photograph. To navigate this, you can go to the left and click on one of these buttons to move the map around left, right, up, or down. This scale here allows you to zoom in and out of the map. You can also use this tool, the magnifier, which will allow you to choose a square of the island and see it in a closer view. And then this little hand tool here allows you to move the map again from left to right and up and down. So let's use the magnifying glass to select an area of Honolulu. We'll try to capture Manoa here. And then it pops up a little bit closer. And you can do the same thing again to get even closer. Alright, so you can see a close-up view of Manoa here, and this blue box here on the right lets you choose the base layer, which is Google Hybrid currently, which is the satellite view, or you can do the Google Vector, which is the street map view. So let's go back to the satellite view. The overlays here tell you which source the overlay is coming from, and you can actually click on and off of them. So if you just want to view the USGS 1951 map, you can do that just by clicking off all the other ones and leaving that one on. They also tell you which source they're from, so USDA, USGS, etc. Now, the little red dots allow you to see a closer view of that area, and it also pulls up a little thumbnail, and the thumbnail is accompanied by a metadata. So let's do that. So it lets you see a closer area of Manoa, and it usually brings up a thumbnail, but it didn't in that case, so let me try again. Here we go. So you can see this is what it looks like when it brings up the little thumbnail image, and it gives you the metadata as far as latitude and longitude, date, the agency that took the picture, and a little brief description. So again, to navigate the map, you can move and zoom in and out using the tools on the left-hand side. They're processing the aerial maps currently. They have 8,000, and they're working on an ongoing digitization project. Each photo represents sort of a flight line diagram entered into their database by longitude and latitude, and each dot represents the center of one photo. The photos didn't come with metadata except for what was written on the sides of the photo, so they've been working hard to enter all that information into the system. Okay, covered that. And the sources of these maps are the USGS and NOAA, and they are taken from aerial flyovers since the 1950s. They have almost every year since the 1950s. And like most map viewers, each layer represents a different source for the photo, and you can click them on and off. Finally, if you want to learn more about MAGIS and the maps that they have in their holdings, this is their contact information. I highly recommend this viewer and this site if you want to learn more about Hawaii maps. Mahalo!